Can cats detect changes in human body odors? Cats have long been known for their excellent sense of smell. It is well established that they can detect certain odors, such as the smell of food or the scent of fellow felines. But can cats also detect changes in human body odors? While scientific studies on this topic are limited, there are some anecdotal evidence and theories that suggest cats may be capable of detecting changes in human body odors. One possible explanation is that cats have a highly sensitive olfactory system, with an estimated 200 million odor-sensitive cells in their nasal cavity, compared to just 5 million in humans. This heightened sense of smell allows them to pick up on subtle changes in the scents emitted by our bodies. There have been instances where cats have been observed exhibiting unusual behavior towards individuals with certain medical conditions. For example, there are reports of cats displaying a heightened interest in a specific area of a person's body, such as a tumor or a wound, long before it is detected by medical professionals. While these reports should be taken with caution and not used as definitive proof, they do hint at the possibility that cats may have the ability to detect changes in human body odors. One theory is that cats can detect specific chemical compounds that are released through the skin when a person is ill or undergoing physiological changes. It is known that certain diseases and conditions can alter the composition of sweat, urine, and other bodily fluids, which in turn can affect body odor. Cats, with their acute sense of smell, could potentially pick up on these changes and respond accordingly. Additionally, cats have been shown to have a remarkable ability to detect changes in emotions and moods in humans. They are known to be highly attuned to the subtle cues we give off, such as body language, facial expressions, and vocal intonations. It is possible that cats are not only detecting changes in our body odors, but also picking up on the emotional and psychological changes that often accompany illness or stress. Furthermore, studies have shown that cats are capable of recognizing and distinguishing between individual human odors. Just as dogs can be trained to detect certain odors, such as drugs or explosives, it is conceivable that cats could be trained to recognize and respond to specific changes in a person's body odor. This would require further research and experimentation, but it raises interesting possibilities for the use of cats in medical detection and diagnostics. In recent years, there have been efforts to train cats to detect certain diseases, such as cancer. These studies are still in their early stages, but initial results are promising. For example, a study conducted at the University of Colorado found that cats were able to detect breath samples from lung cancer patients with an accuracy rate of 82%. While this is not yet conclusive evidence, it suggests that cats have the potential to play a role in early detection and diagnosis of certain medical conditions. It is important to note that the abilities of cats to detect changes in human body odors are still largely speculative and require further scientific investigation. The anecdotal evidence and preliminary studies provide intriguing insights, but they should not be taken as definitive proof. We also need to consider the limitations of these studies, such as small sample sizes and the potential for bias. In conclusion, while the scientific evidence is limited, there are indications that cats may have the ability to detect changes in human body odors. Their heightened sense of smell and their sensitivity to emotional and physiological changes in humans make it plausible. However, further research is needed to fully understand the extent of cats' olfactory capabilities and their potential applications in medical detection and diagnostics.